Hello everyone, I am Shivam, first year deputy student of Marwari University. Today I am going to explain biomechanics of breathing in physiology or understanding breathing movements and techniques. First breathing movements, the basics. Chest or lung size. Breathing works by changing the size of the chest and lungs. When the chest expands, air flows in. When it contracts, air flows out. Main movements. The diaphragm moves down, the ribs move up and outward, and the chest wall expands together. These movements increase lung volume. Third, air flows in or out. Increasing lung volume draws air in during inhalation. Decreasing lung volume pushes air out during exhalation. It's like a bellows. It's basically three types of breathing movements. So first, pump handle movement. The pump handle movement describes how the ribs lift upward, forward and upward during inhalation, just like the handle of an old-fashioned water pump being raised. Ribs rotate around the spine and lift upward and forward. This increases the front or back anterior posterior diameter of the chest cavity. More chest space means lower area pressure inside, drawing air into the lungs, mainly involves the upper and middle ribs. Work together with other movements to fully expand the lungs during each breath. Second, bucket handle movement. So in bucket handle movement, ribs moves upward and outward like a bucket handle being lifted, increasing the side to side transverse diameter of the chest cavity. Ribs swing up and out during inhalation, just like lifting a bucket handle. This widens the chest from side to side, creating more space for the lungs. Increase the transverse diameter of the thoracic cavity. Works together with pump handle and piston movement for full lung expansion. Mainly involves the middle and lower ribs. Helps air flow into lower and outer part of the lungs. And the last one, piston movement. So in piston movement, the diaphragm acts like a piston inside a cylinder. When you breathe in and the diaphragm contracts and moves downward, increasing the vertical space inside the chest cavity. This pushes the belly outward and creates a pressure difference that draws air deep into the lungs. When you breathe out, the diaphragm relaxes and moves back up, reducing chest volume and pushing air out. This movement is the most important driver of normal quiet breathing and is key to efficient oxygen intake. Breathing techniques. So basically, three types of breathing techniques I include here: apical, diaphragmatic, or pursed lip. First, apical or segmental breathing. Focus on the upper parts of the lungs helps improve airflows and expansion in the upper lung areas, useful for patients with restricted breathing or after surgery. Second, diaphragmatic breathing. Uses the diaphragm for deep, efficient breaths. The belly expands outward during inhalation, maximize oxygen intake and reduce efforts in breathing. Third one, pursed lip breathing. Exhale slowly through pursed, slightly closed lips, slows the breathing rate and keep airway open longer. Helps ease shortness of breathing and improves airflow control.